Hello YouTube, I'm Vince White. I'm an employment attorney. On this channel, we answer publicly posted questions from YouTube users, getting folks the answer they need from an employment attorney. We have a question here from YouTube user Union Curious 7221, and that is a phenomenal username. And Union Curious asks us, "Hi Vince, what is insubordination? What isn't insubordination? My coworkers say it's when you refuse to work, but some say it's when you refuse to do anything your boss tells you to do." Okay. All right. Well, listen, Union Curious, here's the deal. You have an amazing username, so I'm going to give you the best answer I can. First and foremost, the dictionary defines insubordination, I believe the Oxford Dictionary specifically, as defiance of authority or a refusal to obey orders. That is a fairly good definition. Now, that is a general definition, however. In the realm of employment law, I'm going to give you the AI definition. I'm going to give you a little bit more from a defense firm. Excuse me. Now, AI tells us, and I think this is a good working definition. I think they put it well. And listen, you always check AI, right? You can't trust AI with anything, so you check it. But here's the AI overview, courtesy of the Google. Insubordination in the workplace is when an employee intentionally refuses to follow a reasonable and lawful order from their employer. Can also include disrespectful behavior towards their employer or superiors or the business as a whole. Now that is, to my eyes, a tremendously good definition of insubordination. Another way that I might voice insubordination, to keep it super simple, is if you, as a human being, look at a situation where an employee is responding to their employer, and you say, "Oh, that'll get you fired." That's probably insubordination, right? We all have a general vibe, a judgment about what will and will not get you fired. And if you're watching something happen and you're saying to yourself, "That'll get you fired," probably insubordination, generally speaking. Now, there's a law firm named Davidson Morris who says, what is insubordination at work? Insubordination at work is essentially an act of serious defiance against authority. In other words, is where an employee deliberately acts in a disrespectful manner towards their employer or superiors, or even about the business as a whole. Yeah, sorta. That's kind of broad. Because I'll tell you right now that I think a lot of employers view union activity, lawful union activity, or protected activity, like complaining of discrimination or complaining of sexual harassment, to be disrespectful. And that doesn't mean those things are going to be insubordination. So, listen, is that a broad definition, perhaps propagated by a defense firm that wants there to be a broad definition of insubordination? I would say perhaps so. I would prefer the AI definition, believe it or not. I think it's a much better and more directed and narrowly tailored definition. I think it's a better guide for what to work with. Anyways, I hope this is helpful, Union Curious. Union Curious, my cough medication. I just started taking it today. I hope it works. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, comment down below, share our channel so it may grow. Take care, everybody.